Students of 11th class, today our topic is modifications of leaves. It is a subject of botany, where our today's topic is modifications of leaves. Uh, Leaf modifications. What is the whole leaves or part of the leaves are often modified for special functions, such as for climbing and substrate attachment, storage, protection against predation or climatic conditions, or trapping and digesting insecting prey. Such a change in leaves is known as leaf modification. There is some special change modifications in case of plants such as climbing, such as substrate attachment, such as storage, protection against predation, or climatic conditions, or some digestive insects as prey. So such all changes or this type of leaves is known as leaf modification. Types of leaf modifications: leaf tendrils. First is leaf tendril. First is leaf tendril. It is leaf tendril. Leaf sapinus, leaf floridus, leaf pitcher, and leaf succulents or storage of leaves. So we will deal them one by one. Leaf tendrils. Leaf tendrils are thread-like sensitive structures or thread-like sensitive structures which coil around support to help the plant for climbing. Leaf tendrils are usually unbranched and devoid of scales. They are of various types. These tendrils, so far as these are tendrils, they are means they plant help in climbing. They help the plant in. These are leaf tendrils. They help the plant in climbing. Such a type of these structures are known as leaf tendrils. The tendrils help the plant in climbing. Second is leaf sapinus. The leaf sapinus leaf pods become changed into sapinus in order to protect the plant from grazing animals and excessive transpiration. These sapinus, their main function is to reduce the transpiration loss of water through the leaves. It usually observed in desert condition plants or dry condition plants. These sapines reduce the transpiration and they also give protection of plant from the grazing animals. They also give plant protection from the grazing animals. Prickles occur at various positions on the leaves for the same purpose. Solinum certinis, Caranthinus oxygenta, and bury the leaves of the main stem or modified into branches 3 to 5 rays. Sapinus devoid of branches arise in the axial. The sapinus present on the areolas of the leaf. Sapinus also occur in the other cacti and climbing varieties of asparagus. Sapinus of Zingiferous and acacia. Acacia, there is also the presence of, and similarly, there are various plants where these sapinus are present. The other type is Phylloidea and Phyllodes. Several species of acacia found in deserts of Australia. Acacia longifolia. Similarly, other species of acacia, there the bipinnate lamina is absent. Instead, petiole and pods of the rachis become foliated into sickle-shaped structure for perfect the function of food synthesis. Their main function is to synthesize food as they have these are known as phylocolloids. Such a flattened petiole which carries out the function of lamina is called phylloid. Flattened petiole which carries the function of petiole is known as phylocolloids. These structures are known as phylocolloids. Which carries out the function of lamina is called phylloids. Formation of phylloids is mechanism to reduce transpiration because it is vertically placed. It has few stomata. Similarly, it has some very low stomata, so it reduces the rate of transpiration. There is another type pitcher plants or several different carnivorous plants which have modified leaves known as pitfall trappers. A prey-trapping mechanism featuring deep cavity filled with a digestive liquid. The traps of it are considered to be true feature plants are formed by specialized leaves. The plants attract and down their prey with nectar. Such an arrangement where these some sort of traps for insects, they take insects and digest them with their digestive enzymes. Such an arrangement found in these plants, they are known as pitcher plants. Such an arrangement tray for these when the insect comes in enter into these pitcher plants, they traps them with a lid. They have lid up on the upper side. They have lid. They close the lid and they digest the inside. So they are known as pitcher plants or insectivorous plants. So they have also these modifications found in these pitcher plants for digesting of enzymes and digesting of insects. The pitcher plants are formed by species leaves. The plants attract uh, and down their prey with nectar. They have a sort of nectar inside. They have sort of nectar inside them. The insect which attracts the insect and is digested by some enzymes. So plant eats them as their food. It is leaf modification. Uh, Last is succulent leaves. The leaves are fleshy or swollen. They sit over water mucilage. Food material. Succulent leaves occur in plants of saline and xerophytic habitat. Elva, brophyllum. In bulbs, the fleshy scale is actually the leaf basis. It is found in case of brophyllum. They are swollen or fleshy. They sit over water, mucilage, and food materials. It is a brophyllum. It stores food, water, and other materials. And they have a function of storage also. It is found in brophyllum leaves. Thank you. It is sufficient.